Hi friends, welcome to Update World channel. Who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Today we are going to see about the top 10 most expensive campgrounds in the world. First most expensive campground in the world is the Clayoquot Wilderness Resort on Vancouver Island in Canada is one of the richest camping experiences you could ever try. The camping resort is reachable only via boat or plane, and while there you won't have access to any electronic device, as the idea is to get in touch with nature. So, no selfies, nothing. Every tent there is instead equipped with scuba gear, fishing poles and horseback riding equipment, pushing you to relax in a more active way, including yoga classes, archery, swimming, kayaking, whale and bear watching. But a day like that wouldn't be complete without massage chairs, saunas and hot tubs. The price for one night's stay there costs an extreme $3,900. Second most expensive campground in the world is Clayoquot Wilderness Resort. Four Seasons Tented Camp Golden Triangle. With such a long name for a camp, you can expect a long list of amenities as well, since the Four Seasons Tented Camp Golden Triangle in Chiang Rai, Thailand offers them all. Elephant treks, jungle exploring, hiking, large comfortable tents, handmade copper bathtubs and outdoor showers, a restaurant, a bar and a wine cellar with rare wines from Southeast Asia are all waiting for you there. Oh, and let's not forget about the complimentary massages that complete every experience in Thailand. The price is as well impressive with a whopping $2,467 per night. Third most expensive campground in the world is Sonva Fushi. Sonva Fushi is a campsite on the Konfundlu Island in the Maldives in a serene setting surrounded by one of the greatest coral reefs the world has to offer. Besides that, the sky over there is an ideal spot for stargazing. They offer luxury tents with all the comforts you could dream of. You'll even have your own private butler for your stay there. And that's not all. A list of 500 rare wines and 9 awesome restaurants to satisfy even the most capricious of tastes that one could have. One night in a tent there would cost you up to $1,483. Fourth most expensive campground in the world is Chiava Camp. The Chiava Camp is located in the Lower Zambezi National Park in Zambia, and they take pride in the fact that they offer the best safaris on the whole African continent. While there, you can have guided hunting or safari tours, you can go canoeing or fishing, and when you get hungry, you should expect some of the most exquisite culinary delights you will ever taste. There is as well an enormous lounge bar with a sun deck from which you can admire the entire park. One night in the Chiava camp will cost you a jaw-dropping $1,300. Fifth most expensive campground in the world is Minaret Station. The Minaret Station is one interesting and impressive alpine lodge set in a pristine area at the head of a glacier valley near Lake Wanka in New Zealand. They offer accommodation in tents made out of sheepskin, with each one having king-sized beds and hot tubs and private decks with all the amenities and luxury you could get in the middle of nature. There are also a lot of activities available for guests staying there, such as helicopter tours, heli skiing, hiking, fly fishing, jet boating or even hunting trips. The price is $1,176.5 per night, and the place is only reachable by helicopter, so take that into the account. Sixth most expensive campground in the world is Kasbah Thermodort. Built by Sir Richard Branson in 1992, the lodge and camping resort of Kasbah Thermodort is situated in the stunning Atlas Mountains in a close proximity of Morocco's Marrakech. Have you ever imagined staying in a tent and having a pool at your disposal? Kasbah Thermodort made it possible. Each of their tents comes with its private swimming pool from which you can admire the great view of the mountains around. Who wouldn't want that? Or should I ask that after telling you that the price is a good $972 per night? Seventh most expensive campground in the world is Gora Elephant Camp. The Gora Elephant Camp is indeed what the name suggests. But have no worries, they also allow humans. The camp is placed right in the Ado Elephant National Park in South Africa, allowing tourists access to all the park's attractions, the main one being elephants. The tents are modeled after the ones the safari hunters used in the 1900s. You would spend $938 to sleep there for one night, but hey, who's going to wake up in the morning amid the largest population of elephants in the world? 8th most expensive campground in the world is Amani Khas. The Amani Khas in the Ranthambore National Park of India offers the best stay for a tour of the named park, balancing your needs for both nature and comfort at the same time, with its modern camp aesthetic and large white comfy tents. Included in the offer there are guided tours which will take you through the park's outskirts and even help you explore the nearby jungles. One night there will cost you a high $925 though. 9th most expensive campground in the world is Amnavana. Amnavana is a luxury camping resort situated on the Moyo Island in Indonesia, nearby some of the most well-preserved coral reefs from the entire globe. The campsite features large tents with a wooden deck, each of them set in a secluded section of the camp for much-needed privacy, but still close to the ocean. A night there would cost you $850, but included in the same price you will have some scuba diving and snorkeling fun and a cruise to the islands of Rinca and Komodo to see some unique species of animals, so it might just be worth it. 10th most expensive campground in the world is Crestor Ranch. Located in Dunton Hot Springs, Colorado, the Crestor Ranch campground is the perfect spot for exploring the alpine valley of the San Juan Mountains in the Colorado Rockies. Built in a ghost town, with restored cabins and furnishings inside, the campground offers all the comfort one might need to spend a night in the middle of nature. As for the day, there are plenty of activities to choose from, ranging from heli skiing to horseback riding, fly fishing, kayaking or bathing in the mountain hot springs. The price for one night there costs a good $700, which a lot more than most of the normal hotels would ask for. Thank you for watching this video. Meet in next video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Please like, share and comment to all our videos.